Police Garlight XRP just confirmed a pattern that crypto whales have been watching for months, and 99% of retail investors completely missed it. While everyone's panicking about Bitcoin crashing, XRP quietly set up what technical analysts call a Wave 5 completion. And if history repeats, we could see a move that catches the entire market off guard. Here's what you need to know right now. XRP just finished something called an Elliott wave structure. Now, I know that sounds like fancy trader talk, but stick with me because this is actually super simple. Think of Elliott waves like the rhythm of ocean waves hitting the beach. Markets move in patterns. 5 waves up when things are bullish, 3 waves down during corrections. XRP just completed its 5th wave, which means we're at a critical turning point. The News BTC analysis shows XRP hit what's called a Wave 5 extension. Basically, the final push in a major upward cycle. And here's where it gets interesting for everyday people like you and me. When these wave structures complete, the next move is usually massive in one direction or the other. We're talking potential 30 to 50% swings in weeks, not months. But before we get into where XRP could go next, you need to understand why this token is different from random meme coins. XRP is part of something called ISO 20022. This is the new global standard for financial messaging that banks are adopting right now in 2025. Think of it like this. Banks used to speak different languages when sending money internationally. ISO 20022 is like giving them all the same translator app. It makes transactions faster, cheaper, and way more transparent. Here's why this matters to your wallet. When you send money overseas right now, it can take 3 to 5 days and cost you $30 to $50 in fees. ISO 20022 tokens like XRP are designed to do that same transfer in 3 to 5 seconds for pennies. We're talking about replacing a system that's been broken since the 1970s. And XRP isn't alone. Other ISO 20022 tokens include XLM, YLGO, HBR, and IOTA. But XRP is the one with the most institutional partnerships and the clearest legal path after winning major battles with the SEC. So what does this wave structure completion actually mean for price? According to the technical breakdown, XRP is now in what's called a corrective phase. This could mean a pullback to the $2.10 to $2.30 range before the next major move up. But here's the contrarian take nobody's talking about. If XRP holds above $2.40, this could actually be a bull flag, not a correction. That would target $3.50 to $4 by spring. The smart money is watching 3 things right now. First, volume. If buying volume stays strong during any dips, that's institutional accumulation. They want you scared so they can load up cheaper. Second, Bitcoin's behavior. XRP has been moving independently which is rare and bullish. If Bitcoin stabilizes around $85,000 to $90,000, altcoins like XRP typically explode because traders rotate profits in a higher risk, higher reward plays. Third, regulatory news. More banks are announcing ISO 20022 adoption every single week. Each announcement is basically free marketing for XRP and its competitors. The more mainstream these tokens become, the more boring money flows in from pension funds and institutions. Here's what to watch in the next 2 weeks. If XRP breaks and holds above $2.80, the next wave structure could target $3.20 fast. If it dips below $2.20, we might see a deeper correction to $1.90 before the real breakout happens. Either way, the wave patterns suggest the next major move is close. The bigger picture? We're watching the old financial system slowly get replaced by programmable money. ISO 20022 tokens are the bridge between dinosaur banks and the crypto future. Getting educated on these now puts you ahead of 95% of people who will wish they understood this stuff 5 years from now. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Markets are volatile, wave patterns fail sometimes, and you should always do your own research before investing a single dollar. But if you want to stay ahead of these moves before they happen, follow Stack Daily for daily crypto and money tips. We break down the complex stuff so you can make smarter decisions with your money.